Today, explore Biology Encyclopedia. 30 Great Biologists, Part 5. Introduction. Welcome to LSKSM Vlogs. Today, explore Biology Encyclopedia. 30 great biologists and discover the remarkable scientists whose groundbreaking discoveries transformed our understanding of life, genetics, evolution, medicine, and the natural world. Let's continue our educational journey by exploring their lives, achievements, scientific discoveries, and lasting contributions to modern biology. (1) Aristotle, 384 to 322 BCE. Aristotle was an ancient Greek philosopher whose work greatly influenced the study of biology and natural history. He classified animals, studied their anatomy and behavior, and helped establish systematic approaches to understanding living organisms. (2) Charles Darwin, 1809 to 1882. Charles Darwin developed the theory of evolution by natural selection. His groundbreaking work, On the Origin of Species, 1859, transformed our understanding of evolution, adaptation, and biodiversity. (3) Gregor Mendel, 1822 to 1884. Gregor Mendel is known as the father of modern genetics. Through experiments with pea plants, he discovered fundamental principles of heredity, including the laws of segregation and independent assortment. (4) Louis Pasteur, 1822 to 1895. Louis Pasteur made major contributions to microbiology, germ theory, and immunology. His research led to pasteurization and important vaccines against diseases such as rabies and anthrax. (5) Robert Koch, 1843 to 1910. Robert Koch was a pioneer of medical microbiology who identified the microorganisms responsible for several infectious diseases. His work established important principles linking specific pathogens to specific diseases. (6) Antony van Leeuwenhoek, 1632 to 1723. Antony van Leeuwenhoek was one of the first scientists to observe microorganisms using powerful microscopes of his own design. His discoveries opened a new microscopic world of bacteria, protozoa, and other tiny organisms. (7) Robert Hooke, 1635 to 1703. Robert Hooke was a pioneering microscopist who published Micrographia in 1665. He introduced the term cell after observing the tiny compartments in cork, helping lay the foundation for cell biology. (8) Theodor Schwann, 1810 to 1882. Theodor Schwann helped establish the cell theory by proposing that animals are composed of cells. His research provided a major foundation for modern biology in the understanding of cellular organization. (9) Matthias Jakob Schleiden, 1804 to 1881. Matthias Schleiden was a German botanist who concluded that plants are composed of cells. Together with Theodor Schwann, his work contributed significantly to the development of the cell theory. (10) Rudolf Virchow, 1821 to 1902. Rudolf Virchow advanced the idea that new cells arise from existing cells. He also made major contributions to pathology and medicine, helping establish cellular pathology as a scientific discipline. (11) Thomas Hunt Morgan, 1866 to 1945. Thomas Hunt Morgan demonstrated that genes are located on chromosomes through experiments with fruit flies. His research provided strong experimental evidence for chromosome-based inheritance. 12. Barbara McClintock, 1902 to 1992. Barbara McClintock discovered transposable elements, or jumping genes, through her studies of maize chromosomes. Her discoveries revealed that genes can move within the genome and regulate genetic activity. Francis Crick, 1916 to 2004. Francis Crick was a key figure in discovering the molecular structure of DNA. His work with James Watson and others helped establish the double helix model and advance modern molecular biology. Maurice Wilkins, 1916 to 2004. Maurice Wilkins contributed important X-ray diffraction evidence for the structure of DNA. His research played a significant role in revealing the molecular architecture of the genetic material. Frederick Sanger, 1918 to 2013. Frederick Sanger pioneered methods for determining the sequences of proteins and DNA. His sequencing techniques transformed molecular biology and contributed to the development of modern genomics. Jane Goodall, 1934 present. Jane Goodall is renowned for her long-term studies of wild chimpanzees in Tanzania. Her observations revealed complex social behavior, tool use, communication, and family relationships among chimpanzees. Edward O. Wilson, 1929 to 2021. Edward O. Wilson was a leading biologist known for his research on ants, biodiversity, and sociobiology. He helped advance the scientific understanding of animal social behavior and conservation. Jennifer Doudna, 1964 present. Jennifer Doudna is a pioneer of CRISPR-Cas9 gene editing technology. Her research helped establish a powerful method for making precise changes to DNA with major applications in medicine and biotechnology. Carl Linnaeus, 1707 to 1778. Carl Linnaeus developed the modern system of biological classification and binomial nomenclature. His approach gave scientists a standardized method for naming and organizing living organisms. Rita Levi-Montalcini, 1909 to 2012. Rita Levi-Montalcini discovered nerve growth factor, a protein essential for the growth and development of nerve cells. Her work significantly advanced neuroscience and developmental biology. Svante Pääbo, 1955 present. Svante Pääbo pioneered the field of paleogenomics by extracting and analyzing ancient DNA. His research on Neanderthal genomes transformed our understanding of human evolution and ancient populations. Craig Venter, 1946 present. Craig Venter played a major role in sequencing the human genome and advancing genomic research. He also contributed to synthetic biology in the development of artificial biological systems. Coriolanus, 1944 to 2019. Coriolanus invented the polymerase chain reaction (PCR), a revolutionary technique for rapidly copying specific DNA sequences. PCR became fundamental to genetics, medicine, biotechnology, and forensic science. Sidney Brenner, 1927 to 2019. Sidney Brenner made major contributions to molecular and developmental biology. His research helped establish the role of messenger RNA in gene expression and used C. elegans as a powerful model organism. Rachel Carson, 1907 to 1964. Rachel Carson was a marine biologist and influential environmental writer. Her book Silent Spring helped raise awareness about the ecological effects of pesticide and contributed to the modern environmental movement. 26. Lynn Margulis, 1938 to 2011. Lynn Margulis developed and strongly supported the endosymbiotic theory of cellular evolution. Her work helped explain how mitochondria and chloroplasts originated from ancient symbiotic bacteria. '27. Rosalind Franklin, 1920 to 1958. Rosalind Franklin produced crucial X-ray diffraction images that revealed important structural information about DNA. Her research provided essential evidence for understanding the DNA double helix structure. '28. James Watson, 1928 to 2025. James Watson, together with Francis Crick and other researchers, contributed to the discovery of the double helix structure of DNA. This breakthrough became a landmark in molecular biology and genetics. '29. Alexander Fleming, 1881 to 1955. Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin in 1928, leading to the development of one of the world's most important antibiotics. His discovery transformed the treatment of bacterial infections and modern medicine. '30. Emmanuel Charpentier, 1968-present. Emmanuel Charpentier co-developed the CRISPR-Cas9 gene editing system with Jennifer Doudna. Their work provided scientists with a precise and versatile tool for modifying genetic material and advancing biotechnology. Conclusion. Thank you for joining LSKSM Vlogs for Biology Encyclopedia. 30 Great Biologists, Part 5, and exploring the inspiring lives and groundbreaking discoveries of these remarkable scientists. Their contributions have shaped modern biology and continue to influence genetics, medicine, ecology, evolution, and many other scientific fields. Stay connected with LSKSM Vlogs for more fascinating biology encyclopedia topics and educational journeys. These videos are not only for the current generation. They are a humble effort to preserve knowledge, history, science, and human achievements for future generations. Thank you to everyone who supports and encourages this journey of building a digital library of learning for tomorrow. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the LSKSM Vlogs channel, like, comment, and share it to help pass on knowledge to future generations. Your support and encouragement mean a lot to us. G. Sobhanadri Rao, LSKSM Vlogs.